YouTube.
Welcome back, YouTube.
Baby edition, first timers.
FT Baby Edition. Obviously, we're going to be building a bassinet. So, we've never done this before. So far, everything that we've built hasn't been too difficult to build. But, yeah, we'll see how this goes. Obviously, last couple of videos as we set up Kobu and we did a lot of other stuff here. Even the diaper genie was actually pretty simple to set up, so we'll see if this is actually pretty cool. But anyway, guys, so if you guys haven't heard during our whole thing so far, or our live streams that we've been doing with video games, Hiro and I ended up getting let go from work. Now
Not just us, but our entire IT. Oh shoot!
Yeah,
our entire IT department.
Yeah, so it happens, and of course it sucks because it's right before baby here. Oh wow, this is in there. But anyway, guys, we're excited to still be able to bring you guys videos and all that fun stuff.
Yeah.
We haven't really been looking for jobs yet, but we're getting there and all that fun stuff. I have no idea. There's a lot of naggles in here.
Here, let's just lay down.
OMG. Okay. Anyway, guys, we're jumping into it. Let's see what happens. This says front.
Yeah.
See that?
So this is.
Oh, there's instructions.
Oh, instructions.
This side down. Yep. Where do we start?
So, let's go to step 1. Locate 4 support legs and 4 casters. Wheels.
So these are the support legs, I'm assuming?
I don't know, there's not a good clear picture. I know they're looking at this right here. Support leg insert, yes.
Wait, where? This?
Looks just like this.
Okay, how do we know which one goes?
Judging by the picture, looks like downslope. This.
Okay, so it goes like that. Hey, what about, does it need to go, no, but
Yeah,
before
they
you
go
do it-
inward.
So that goes out, right?
Yeah, this goes inward. That.
Okay.
I'm just looking at
No, I'm just looking at the, okay.
the orientation of the legs.
Yeah, because that's what I was worried about. Okay, so, oh.
Yep.
Okay. So, wheel
Next.
goes on the bottom?
Nah, not at the wheels yet. We're
Okay.
skipping.
Dang, they said get the wheel.
That's right there. I don't know, but they don't put them on. They just said located, insert casters. Oh yeah, insert casters at the bottom. Because you're just skipping steps. Inward. Confirm that your 4 support legs have been properly inserted into the support leg inserts as shown above. We did that. Pull upon the support legs to assure they are properly locked to the top. Alrighty then, let's flip it. Locate the mattress board. 8 M4 screws.
This guy, right?
This support board.
Okay.
Mattress support board.
And then this
Put it-
side down.
Does it say that?
Yeah.
On there? Okay.
Yeah.
So that's where we screw into those little brackets there.
Is the screwdriver still over there?
M4 screws.
From the other projects?
I don't remember.
Tell when we're actually working, we get quiet.
Yeah, that's true. Judging by how flimsy this is, I would say maybe a year, 2 years, not even 2 years, 2 years. By that time, they could almost walk, right?
I was gonna say, by 1 year, kids
1
are
year.
walking.
Yeah, so well,
So they're walking and
I took a
crawling,
long
so-
time to walk. I guess I was lazy.
Okay, cool. I think we're...
Alright, it's tight.
There you go now. Torque yours with the proper
Yeah.
screwdriver. Ooh, it's getting hot in here.
It's getting hot in here.
So hot in here.
Oi!
Whoa, whoa.
I almost stabbed myself. But it's good, it's good. Okay, next.
So these are to strengthen the legs.
Okay, that's good.
And then we need the bottom portion. So this is the bed, right?
Yes.
So literally the bed just goes right in here. Like this. Just either put it both screwed in.
But I don't get how it screws in.
And that way.
Ah.
As I was saying, you were already
You're
there.
so smart.
You were already there.
Dang. Wow. It's gonna flip. Is it really that tight?
Yep.
Need a fully tight.
Under.
Good.
Man, do it, bro.
Next.
Take it. This goes right on there.
Oh, when they meant do it one side, they meant like this. Instead of going all the way across as one side,
and then you
this
slide
this like this, yeah.
Yeah, no, I kind of figured that, but since we already kind of knew what was going on.
Locate remaining 2 M6 screws using a screwdriver. Is it 2 more screws? I thought we just did that.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
already
Oh, no, there you go. I'm skipping. That's it. I think it's done. Turn frame over on its right side up position. Batteries may leak fluid. Ah,
Somebody plays music for the
music. Yes, music module. Okay.
So there's buttons here. Undo button. Undo button.
Undo all of them?
Yeah, because we have to put them over the. There's buttons right under here, guys. Just gotta make sure you get them all undone. And once they're all undone, there you go to get all the buttons.
Oh, sorry. It looks like you put the Delta music module on first.
Okay. Put it on first.
Yeah, because that's the step before putting this on. So I think it goes here. So you're gonna leave the doors open usually, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
Come on. Let's see how hot it is. Let's see. Just because we're in here, guys, and we have the Kobu AI app in here. So let's see if we'll connect here.
And if you guys don't know what the Kobu system is,
So it's 80 degrees in here right now with 51% humidity. Woo.
I want to show them what the Kobu is, in case they didn't see what it was.
Well, actually, click the link up below
There you go.
for the video for Kobu. But yeah, it looks like, yeah, so you can kind of see my hand right here. Woo. So, pretty straightforward, nothing crazy. But, now I don't know how hot it is in here.
Alright, what is it? What is it at?
80 degrees, yeah. At least it's like a cooler day today. But, we're getting into those hot summer day, guys.
What's this guy? You have a Velcro?
Oh, it's for the top.
Ah.
Pull this off because we don't need that in there.
The plastic came out with it?
Probably.
Okay.
Alright. Cool. Okay, it's still not done yet.
Suffocation hazard. Infants have suffocated in gaps between extra padding. A mattress too small or too thick. A mattress in gaps between extra padding. A mattress too small or too thick, and product sides on soft bedding. Dang, they've suffocated on. Yeah, I don't know.
So it needs to be. Oh, is that open? Yeah, okay.
There it is. Okay. So it just clips right onto it.
Yep.
Okay. So will that go hard?
Yep. That's
Get
it.
it through that slit.
There we go. And then the Velcro is right there. And this goes on the back side. Got it.
Not yet. Voila. Are we even?
Okay.
Does that work?
Oh, it's
Oh, you didn't put batteries in.
Didn't put
It
batteries.
didn't come. It doesn't come with batteries.
no batteries included, guys. All right,
It's
guys.
complete.
So it's done. It's here. It looks pretty good. Okay, we'll jump in.
All right.
Smash! No! But yeah, look at that, guys. It looks pretty good. But anyway, guys,
Thanks for watching.
that wasn't too hard. What was that? 15 minutes?
I don't know. I wasn't timing.
Dang. I don't
We'll
know.
see. We'll see how long.
Yeah.
We'll see how long it takes to edit.
It was 20. It was 25 minutes. So about
Okay.
20 minutes to put together. Not too bad.
Two brains.
Yeah.
2 brains.
Needed a screwdriver, flat blade, and or a Phillip.
Caveman brains.
So we got it in. It was pretty simple to kind of understand what was going on, but it does come with the instructions. I definitely look at it. But it's called the Sweet Beginnings Bassinet for Delta, made by a company called Delta Children. So anyway, doesn't look bad, guys. Definitely, definitely jump in, take a look at it. We'll put a link below. Also, don't forget to go check out our cards in the upper right hand corner here and check out the other videos that are aimed at babies, baby edition, first timers, Alvin and Hiro.
Yo.
So anyway, we're
Alright.
out.
Peace
See
out.
you guys later.